I'm gonna treat the stain or any stains that I see with a stain pen. And it's awesome because you can also take it on the go with you and out to a restaurant if you spill something or whatever. I'm gonna take the odor and wrinkle eraser and I'm gonna spray the areas of the shirt that are prone to wrinkles and odor. So I get the armpits, of course. And I feel like the front of the shirt always gets wrinkles, so I'm just gonna give that a good spray. Put on the collar, and I'll get the back of it too. Good spray. Okay, now we're going to take the dryer activated cleaning cloth, which looks like this, and we're just going to put it in this bag with the garment. And you can put 1 to 5 pieces of clothing in this bag, but I'm just going to put the shirt in there for now. So stick it in here, like that. We'll zip it up. We take it and put it in the dryer. And we're just going to start the dryer on a normal cycle for 15 to 30 minutes. The dryer is finished, so I'm going to open it up, pull it out. Oh my gosh. Completely gone. That is awesome. Okay, and it looks really good. Nice and like not wrinkled, which is great.